Tehran has just sent a message loud, direct, and filled with a lot of warnings. Wait, not through any secret meeting, not through diplomatic notes, but through a public declaration meant for Washington and the entire world to hear it. The message was absolutely clear that Iran will not back down easily. Iran's president has spoken, and his words are echoing across global power corridors, standing firm with rising tensions in the background. He declared that we are defending our rights. Simple words, but in the world of geopolitics, those words can carry the weight of missiles. And yes, this is happening at a very sensitive moment because nuclear negotiations between Iran and global powers have reached a dangerous crossroad. Talks that were supposed to calm the tensions are now stuck. Progress has slowed, trust is fragile, and patience is running out. And Iran's latest statement is not just about diplomacy, it's about power. Tehran is signaling something important here. It is telling the entire world that its nuclear program is a matter of national pride. Its security decisions will not be dictated by any foreign pressure here, and if threatened, it has the ability to respond. Now, that last message is only raising the global concern here. When Iran talks about response, the world listens carefully because the region around Iran is already filled with military tensions. Warship patrol the Persian Gulf, missile systems remain active across the Middle East, and multiple global powers are deeply involved in the region's security balance. One strong statement can quickly shift the military calculation here. Analysts say that this is not just rhetoric. It is a signal of growing frustration here. Iran has been under heavy economic sanctions for years now. Its economy has faced pressure, its international trade has been restricted, its oil exports have been targeted, and now Iran's leadership is showing signs that it is losing patience with negotiations that seem to move but never truly deliver relief. But there is another layer to this story, and that is national pride. For Iran, its nuclear program is not just about science or energy. It is seen as a symbol of independence, a symbol of strength, a symbol of standing up against the global pressure. And backing down publicly, it can actually carry serious political risk inside the country. In the meantime, Washington is watching every word very carefully. The US has repeatedly demanded strict limits on Iran's nuclear development here. American officials fear that if Iran advances too far, it could move dangerously close to building nuclear weapons capability, and that would completely change the balance of power in the Middle East. And this is why the current moment feels so fragile, because two very powerful narratives are colliding now. Iran says that it is protecting its sovereignty. In the meantime, the US says it is protecting the global security. Both the sides believe they are justified, both the sides are unwilling to appear weak. And that combination often creates the most dangerous diplomatic deadlock. The world is now holding its breath. Every statement from Tehran, every response from Washington is being analyzed like a military signal because history has shown us major conflicts rarely begin with sudden explosion. They begin with words, warnings, ultimatums, and rising mistrust.